Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to transfer your domain from Squarespace to Hostinger. Let's get right to it. First, you need to unlock your domain. Log into your Squarespace account, go to Settings, and click on the Domains panel. Select the domain you want to move and toggle the domain lock setting to off. Note that if you just bought or transferred this domain within the last 60 days, standard internet rules prevent you from moving it again just yet. Next, you need to point your domain to Hostinger to prevent any website downtime. Still in the Squarespace Domains panel, click Edit next to Name Server Setting. Choose the Custom Name Servers option and type in Hostinger's default name servers, which are ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2.dns-parking.com. Hit Save and give it some time to update across the internet before moving to the last step. Finally, you need to get your transfer authorization code, which is also called an EPP code. Click the three dots menu in your Domains panel and select Send Transfer Authorization Code. Squarespace will email this unique security key directly to the domain's owner's email address. Once you have that code in your inbox, you can easily paste it into your Hostinger account to finish the transfer. You are officially ready to move your domain. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.